Merch by Amazon trending niche alert. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I think is going to be one of the best Thanksgiving niches for this Q4. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So let's get into the content of the video. So the niche that I have for you that I think is going to do very well this Thanksgiving is this phrase right here that says, "In my thankful mom era." Now we saw this phrase do very well in the Halloween niche, where we would say "in my spooky," and then you just basically put in the niche, whether it's mom, nurse, teacher, etc. era. Now before you guys blow up my comments, let's just go ahead and talk about the elephant in the room, because a lot of people think that this phrase is not safe, could get your account in trouble. And the reason why people think that is because Taylor Swift has a tour, very popular tour. I don't know if it's still going on or not, but I've seen some of the videos where a lot of people are going, and she has a tour that is the Eras tour, and she also even made a TikTok or a tweet or something saying "in my Eras era." So since Taylor Swift has this Eras tour going on, a lot of people think that this niche is not safe, and I can understand why that is. Me personally, I think it is safe because I've been selling it and I haven't had any problems since. But also, you know, it is not a Taylor Swift song like, you know, "in my thankful mom era," "in my spooky nurse era." It's not a Taylor Swift song. It's not a Taylor Swift lyric. She just has this tour that is the Eras tour. And one of the reasons why this phrase became popular was actually from TikTok, where people were just saying "in my, you know, mom era," or "in my, you know, softball mom era," or "in my bride era," or whatever. So me personally, I think this niche is safe. Who knows? I could be wrong. You know, maybe I'll get in trouble tomorrow or whatever. But, you know, personally, I don't think so. If we just take a look at my merch account right here, this is actually my sales for the current month. You see September 1 through 17th. It's now $500. But if we scroll down right here and I just click on this one right here, this is one of the designs. I actually got this right from Creative Fabrica. I'm not doing anything special. Just kind of actually practicing what I preach. And we're going to see "in my spooky nurse era." So I'm using that phrase. You know, this has been uploaded since August 12th. So we're about a month in. Haven't had any issues. Oh, whoops, what happened? But it's sitting at I think like a 500 BSR. But the point, or the reason why I show you this, is that, you know, I've been selling this niche, haven't had any problems. Personally, I think it's safe. So just want to get that out of the way, because a lot of times people will go into the comments and say this niche will get your account terminated. And, you know, who knows? Maybe they're right. Me personally, I think it's safe. So everybody can just do what they want. Remember, I'm just some random guy on the internet, as I like to say. I'm not a guru. I don't work for Amazon or anything like that. It's just my personal opinion. Okay, so now let's get back to the actual niche. So here we're going to see "in my thankful mom era." What the heck is that? There's only 263 results, and when we go to the third page, we're going to see that there's still only 263 results. And if we scroll down here, we'll be able to see the type of designs that I'm talking about. So this is a good example right here. They're doing a really good job with the color scheme. It's got the right type of font. They have some like fall or Thanksgiving type of clip art with the pumpkin. I don't see a turkey, but this looks pretty good. This is the style that I would recommend that you do it in. Here's another example, which I also think is good. Not as good as this one right here. But what you want to do basically is just take this phrase "in my thankful mama era," and then you can just switch out mama with all the different types of niches. So you can go like nurse, teacher, and you can also scale those different types of nurses and teachers. You can do like a thankful CNA nurse. You know, you can do "in my thankful second grade teacher era." Now these actually don't have BSRs yet. They were just recently uploaded, but I can almost, well, I shouldn't say guarantee, but I can almost assure you that, you know, these designs will start to sell very well. And the reason why I believe that is because, you know, we've just seen in the past, like with the Halloween niche, the spooky one, it has done well, or is doing well. And just this phrase "in my era" has also done very well. So I don't see why this would not sell during Thanksgiving. Now it is more towards women, so you want to design that way. You want to use more kind of like, you know, scripty fonts, this curvy, groovy font like this right here. If we go to test to see if this is trademarked, "in my thankful mom era," we hit enter, we are going to see that nothing pops up. If we go to Etsy, we're going to see that there's only 897 results, and this is another good example right here. I thought this was good because they're not doing it on black, so they're using like a fall or a Thanksgiving color, so orange. So, you know, don't just design for black, consider designing for both colors. If we go to Redbubble, I didn't even see any on Redbubble, so right here it says nothing matches, which I thought was kind of a little suspicious maybe, so don't know why that is. If we go to TeePublic, we will see I'm not seeing any actually for this in my Thankful Mama era. Maybe it's just too early, not too sure. I don't know what happened to TeePublic or Redbubble, but I got my royalties the other day. It was like pathetic. It was only like $20 for each one. You know, I used to make a few $100s on both of these sites, and ever since they made that changes, it has just completely tanked. So I don't know, comment below if your guys' sales suck on Redbubble and TeePublic the past few months. A little disappointing because I like getting that, you know, those direct deposits, but so it goes. It's their sandbox, they make the rules. But anyways, so that is one idea right there in my Thankful Mama era. Now some other examples of this phrase that you can use, because it doesn't just have to be in my Thankful Mama era or Mom era. You can use, you know, other type of women demographics. So for example, right here in my Thankful Aunt era, only 42 results. This is what I'm talking about right here. My Thankful Aunt era. You can also do in my Thankful Grandma era. So right here, Grandma, 37 results. Example of that would be this one right here. And you know, you don't have to just use grandma. There's other ways of saying grandma. So in my Gigi era, in my Grammy era, in my, you can do abuela, which is Spanish for grandma. So you can get, you can scale this right here is what I'm trying to say. If we take a look at the competition on Etsy for those women demographic ones right here, if I type in my Thankful Grandma era shirt, we're going to see low competition, only 832 results. This is the one where in my Thankful Aunt era, only 1,000 results. So the point I'm trying to make here, it just doesn't have to be your Thankful Mom era. It can be all the different type of women demographics. And like I was saying, you can also use this phrase for professions or careers. So here we're going to see in my Thankful Teacher era, only 197 results. This is an example right here, and this can be scaled to in my, you know, preschool teacher era, kindergarten teacher era, all the grades, first grade, second grade, third grade, etc., etc. If we go to Etsy, we'll see the competition for this phrase in my Thankful Teacher era are low, 1,000. And another profession or career would be the nurse. So in my Thankful Nurse era, 122 results. This is an example right here. This can also be scaled in my, you know, NICU nurse era, in my PICU nurse era, CNA. You know, like I mentioned, some of my other videos, just do a Google search for different types of nurses. You can get a whole bunch of ideas right there. If we go to Etsy, we will see that for the phrase in my Thankful, in my Thankful Nurse era shirt, the competition is also low, under 1,000 results. And if you guys are looking for clip art for Thanksgiving for your designs, I'd recommend you check out Creative Fabrica. I have a link in my description. It is an affiliate link, so you just go to any one of my YouTube videos. So like right here, for example, you just scroll down this link right here, Creative Fabrica. Like I said, it is an affiliate link, so if you do sign up using my link, I do get a small commission. But like I always say, Creative Fabrica is probably the best resource for us merch by design, or just us print-on-demand sellers. I can't even talk. They got a whole bunch of stuff, fonts, graphics. They got AI. They got classes, courses, a whole POD section, bundle section. It's only, I think, like they actually have a deal today. You can get it for only 29 bucks. I think that's the deal. I got it about a year ago. So usually it's $60, but right now it looks like they have a deal for only 29 for the year, so I would jump on that if I were you. I also found they have some of these other in my era designs. Now I wasn't able to find any ones that said specifically in my Thankful or in my Mama or my Thankful Mama era, but here you get some designs. If you want, you just have to check the licensing, so click right here, and you have to make sure that it says commercial free and full print on demand use. And if you guys are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon or even on Redbubble, I have two courses that I would recommend that you take a look at. They're both on Udemy. So the first one is a Merch by Amazon for beginners, step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. Here you'll see what you will learn. Here is the course content. So I teach you how to cross niche, how to niche down, how to scale your designs, how to find trending niches. You can actually steal my best evergreen niches, how to check for trademark, how to keep your account safe. I even teach you like designing tips, design styles, phrases, things like that. Don't really hold anything back. And if you scroll down right here, you'll be able to see the course ratings. So 4.5 course ratings, 16 ratings. The price is, I think I have it at 19 bucks or $10. I'm in Mexico, so that's why the price is like this. I live in Mexico, so that's why the price is like that. And then I also have one for Redbubble. It's similar. It's basically just for the Redbubble platform instead of merch. So I teach you all this stuff. It's over an hour long. Now these courses are good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. The links will be in the description, and if I can remember, I will put it in the pinned comment. If we take a look at my credentials on Merch by Amazon, I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I've done over 12,000 sales, made over $40,000 in royalties. And if we take a look at my credentials on Redbubble, used to be a lot better, but we can see right here over the past 12 months done over $1,200, my best month being in November in 2022. Last year where I did $187, but you can see now with those recent changes, not looking too good. But yeah, so if you're interested, links are in the description, and if I can remember, links will also be in the pinned comment. Now, if you guys are looking for, well, actually, first, let me just wrap up the video. So what do you guys think about this niche that I told you about? Do you guys think it's safe? Do you think I'm crazy? You know, what do you guys think? Comment below. Are you going to upload into this niche? Have you been uploading into this niche and not had any problems? So just basically comment below what you think. I will respond to every one of your comments. But that is going to be it. If you're looking for more niche ideas, check out these videos. I've been putting out a lot of videos as of late. I just want to thank everybody for watching the videos. I appreciate the support. I've seen my views and watch time go up. I'm getting closer to being monetized, so definitely appreciate the support. And I appreciate all your comments too. I like chatting with you guys and connecting, so that's cool as well. So yeah, so that's going to be the video for today. If you like this kind of content, check out this playlist, subscribe to the channel, click the bell so you never miss another video. Like I just made this emergency video right here. So you don't want to miss out on those ones when those niches pop off, because you know you got to be quick on Merch by Amazon. Sometimes niches can get flooded very quick and you might not get at the top of the search. Okay, so that's it for today. You guys enjoy your weekend. I'm going to go spend all day watching football. Go Niners. I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.